Hello everyone, welcome back to my digital diaries. Are you building modern front-end applications with Sitecore AI? Then this video is for you. Today we will explore Content SDK, a powerful way to connect Sitecore content with modern frameworks like next.js and create fast, flexible and scalable website. So let's get started, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Sitecore and AI content. So far in this video, we have learned what Content SDK is, why Sitecore introduced it, and how it solves the limitation of JSS. Now comes the exciting part. What exactly does Content SDK offers? Let's explore its top features one by one and see how they make modern Sitecore development faster, simpler, and more developer friendly. Let's begin with unified client. In older implementation, developers often had to interact with different APIs for layouts, dictionaries, personalization, and other services. Content SDK simplifies this, providing a single entry point. Instead of calling multiple services separately, developers can access everything through one unified client. This results in cleaner code, easier maintenance, and more consistent development experience. Second feature is reduced complexity. Content SDK is designed only for XM Cloud. Since it no longer supports legacy Sitecore platform, many unnecessary compatibility layers have been removed. The project structure is simpler. There are few configuration files. Any developer spends less time understanding the framework and more time building features. If you already know React or Next.js, you will feel right at home. Next is CLI scaffolding. Starting a new project is now much easier. Instead of manually creating folders, configuration files, and installing dependencies, you can use the command npx create content SDK-app. Within a few minutes, you will have fully configured Content SDK project ready to use. This helps teams start development much faster and ensure everyone follows the same project structure. One of the biggest advantage is built-in support for Next.js app router. Content SDK fully embraces the latest Next.js architecture. This includes Next.js layouts, server components, dynamic routing. These modern features improve application performance and make your code easier to organize. They also help improving SEO by rendering content efficiently on the server. So developers can take full advantage of everything the latest version of Next.js offers. Now let's talk about tree shaking. Imagine your application imports 10 components but only uses 6 of them. Normally, all 10 might still be included in your production bundle. Content SDK solves this using an explicit component map. During production builds, unused components are automatically removed. This reduces the bundle size, improves loading speed, and create a more optimized application. Smaller application always mean better performance. The next feature is personalization. Modern websites need to deliver personalized experience to different users. Content SDK provides built-in hooks that make personalization much easier to implement. Whether you are showing different banners, promotions, or target marketing content, the SDK helps orchestrate these experiences without requiring complex custom code. This allows marketers to create personalized customer journey while developers keep the implementation simple. Next comes GraphQL utilities. Sitecore exposes a lot of content through GraphQL APIs. Content SDK provides ready-to-use utilities for common tasks such as retrieving layouts, fetching dictionary items, generating sitemaps, handling system data. Instead of writing multiple GraphQL queries from scratch, developers can use these built-in utilities and save a lot of development time. Less repetitive code means fewer bugs and faster delivery. Another powerful feature is the visual pages editing. Content authors can edit pages directly within the XM Cloud page editor. As developers build components using Content SDK, marketers can visually update the content and instantly preview changes. This creates a smooth collaboration between developers and content authors. Developers build the components once, content authors manages the content without needing technical assistance. Content SDK is also designed with a modern AI powered development in mind. It supports design libraries and works well along with the cursor rules and other AI coding assistant. This gives developers better context while generating code, improves productivity, and helps maintaining consistent coding standard across the project. As AI becomes a bigger part of software development, this integration becomes increasingly valuable. And finally, let's look at multi-site support. Many organizations manage several websites from a single Sitecore instance. Contain SDK provides native support for multi-site and multi-tenant architecture. This means business can manage multiple brands, countries, or business units while sharing common components and infrastructure. It's scalable, organized, and perfect for enterprise level implementations. Let's quickly recap everything Contain SDK offers. It provides a unified client for all major services, simplified architecture focused on XM Cloud, easy project creation through CLI scaffolding, full support for latest Next.js app router, optimized bundles with tree shaking, built-in personalization features, ready to use GraphQL utilities, seamless visual page editing, AI friendly developers tools, and enterprise ready multi site support. Together, these features makes Contain SDK a modern, lightweight, and developer friendly solution for building headless site core application. Whether you are starting a new XM Cloud project or migrating from JSS, Contain SDK provides everything you need to build fast, scalable, and maintainable website. Now that we have explored what Contain SDK is and what it offers, let's compare it directly with JSS SDK. Before we begin, I want to make one thing clear. This is not about which one is better. JSS was built for the previous generation of Sitecore implementation, while Contain SDK is designed specially for the modern XM Cloud architecture. So let's compare them feature by feature. Primary target. Our first comparison is a primary target. On the left hand side, JSS was designed to support multiple Sitecore products, including XP, XM, and XM Cloud. On the right side, you can see a Contain SDK focuses only on XM Cloud and Sitecore AI. By focusing on single platform, Contain SDK removes unnecessary legacy support and delivers a cleaner development experience. Architecture. JSS is a general purpose headless SDK. It was created to work across different Sitecore environments. Contain SDK, however, follows a cloud-first architecture. Everything is optimized especially for cloud-native development for modern deployment models. This makes it better fit for today's enterprise application running on XM Cloud. Now let's look at the overall focus. JSS supports multiple platforms and different implementation styles. Contain SDK has a single goal, building applications for one platform, XM Cloud. This focus approach reduces the complexity and makes the SDK much easier to understand and maintain. Front-end framework. JSS was designed to work with several front-end frameworks including React, Angular, Vue, Next.js. This flexibility was useful at the time. Contain SDK takes a different approach. It primarily supports Next.js. Since Next.js has become the recommended front-end framework for XM Cloud, Contain SDK is optimized to leverage all of its modern capabilities. This means developer can fully benefit from features like server component, app router, and improved performance. Complexity. Now let's talk about the complexity. JSS introduced several Sitecore specific concepts that developers needed to learn. Things like placeholders, factories, rendering hosts, manifest, and additional configuration increase the learning curve. Contain SDK keeps things much simpler. It follows the standard React and Next.js development pattern. If you already know Next.js, getting started with Contain SDK feels natural. Less abstraction means the less confusion and faster development. The next comparison is a bundle size. Because JSS support many platforms and compatibility layers, applications often had a larger footprint. Contain SDK removes those extra layers. The result is a smaller, more optimized application. Smaller bundles improve the page load speed, reduce deployment size, and provide a better experience for end users. Let's compare project configuration. JSS projects usually requires additional setups. Developers often had to configure manifest files, rendering host, component factories, and several supporting files before starting development. Contain SDK dramatically reduces this overhead. There is much less configuration involved. You can scaffold a project, connect to XM Cloud, and start building much faster. This saves valuable development time. Now talk about the developer experience. JSS introduced many Sitecore specific abstractions, so developers often had to understand the framework before they could build the application. Contain SDK feels much more like a native Next.js project. Developers can use familiar tools, standard project structure, and modern development workflows. This improves productivity and makes onboarding much easier for new team members. Editing experience. JSS support both experience editor and pages. Supporting multiple editing models increase complexity for developers. Contain SDK is fully focused on XM Cloud pages. This gives content authors a modern visual editing experience while allowing developers to build components that integrated seamlessly. It's simpler for both developers and marketers. And finally, future path. JSS continues to support for existing implementation, especially project running on Sitecore XP and XM. However, for new XM Cloud projects, Contain SDK represents Sitecore's strategic direction. It is where new features, improvements, and innovations will continue to be introduced. So if you are starting a new XM Cloud implementation today, Contain SDK is the recommended choice. So let's quickly summarize the comparison. JSS was built to support multiple Sitecore platforms and front-end frameworks. Contain SDK is purposely built for XM Cloud. It offers a cloud-first architecture, native Next.js development, lower complexities, smaller application bundles, less configuration, a better developer experience, fully integration with XM Cloud pages, and clear roadmap for the future. Both SDK have their place. If you are maintaining an existing XP or XM solution, JSS continues to be a reliable option. But you are building a new XM Cloud solution, Contain SDK provides a simpler, faster, and more modern development experience. I hope this comparison help you to understand the key difference between JSS and Contain SDK. And that's the complete overview of Contain SDK, from why it was introduced to how it compares with JSS and the powerful features it offers for modern Sitecore AI and XM Cloud development. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my digital diaries, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss out latest Sitecore AI and modern development tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.